Russia says it's demilitarizing Ukraine. Instead, it's creating a wasteland. What it can't have, it destroys with vengeance. These were family homes on the edge of Kharkiv. Civilians are daily targets in Vladimir Putin's war. Suburban gardens have become battlefields from Europe's past. But here, the men of Ukraine's 22nd Battalion have pulled off a miracle. They've stopped the might of the Russian army at their city gates. Ill-equipped and vastly outnumbered, 3 weeks on, they're still holding the line. Russian boots have failed to gain hold here. Frustrated, they've sent troops elsewhere, leaving heavy artillery to bomb the city into submission. Konstantin, a former Air Force pilot, has come out of retirement to fight.
This is the first line of defense for the city. If they get through here, they will enter Kharkiv. This road takes you from Russia to the very heart of the city.
The heart of Kharkiv and Ukrainian resistance is still beating. A Russian missile screeches above us. In this crater, 6 Ukrainian soldiers died in a single strike. And away from the front, no neighbourhood is safe. Russian Grad rockets fall all around us. Get in here! This is the reckless targeting of human life. To the south, the invaders are advancing. But here in Ukraine's second city, Kharkiv stands defiant, while Russia rages with incandescent fury. And Russia knows hundreds of thousands of people are still living here. How do you keep out such horror? Sasha and Svetlana's apartment is now the front line. For the men and women of the Ukrainian army, she has a message.
I'm very grateful to them for defending our land. Hold on, guys. We will always support you. Both of my daughters and a granddaughter are fighting for Ukraine.